Si Ugas, mama. Pero pumapasok ko, pinapasok siya ni Manny din. Marunong siya tumira talaga. Pinabantayan niya kasi mahaba. Ano na siya ni Manny. Pinapasukan siya ni Manny sa loob. Kasi kung sa labas, ba't mahaba siya. Wala, natatawa lang si Manny sa kasi mukhang galit yung Ugas. Nagagalit mo. Around 6 na tayo. Round 6 na mga kapatid. Ito na. Nasa gitna yun. Nagpapatay si Manny. Depende ko sa sa hangin. Kung magandang hangin Manny, panagdalo pa rin siya dito. Pero mahaba. Tumay dito. Matibay itong kumano, gutom din eh. Kasi kailangan niya ito para makapera siya at makapangalan. Pero sinahanapan ni Manny ng pwesto, ng bubutas. Mausay kasi yung depensa rin ng kumano. Siguro tinamaan ito kaya natatakot rin sumugod. Naramdaman niya, pumapasok siya. Yun. Pag pumasok siya, pinapasok din siya mga kapatid ni Manny. Hindi si Manny ang matras, yun. Papasukan sa limang yun. Mausay. Slender to kumano na ito. Kaya, yun. Baka matumaan ito ni Manny ng isa. Pang-anin na to, 6th round, yun. Yun. Tinatamaan siya ni Manny sa jump. Very covered yung kanilang mukha, pareho sila.
Combination, tremendous speed by Pacquiao, telling at many points in this fight.
Polo's trying everything. He's been southpaw numerous times to no avail. Now they want him to box and circle the ring. He's fallen hopelessly behind, guys.
Well, he's well behind, but I don't have a feeling that he's out of the fight.
Right. I was just about to say that he's behind, but not out of it. And he's telling his quarter he's fine and he's good, but his face is telling a different story.
Do you think he's not out of it because he has a puncher's chance, or that he can box his way back in? I think he's running out of rounds to do that.
I think he's running out of rounds, but history shows that he's been able to make adjustments before. He still has that puncher's chance.
Yeah. Punch, that's what I mean. He's got to knock him out.
I still think Cotto could win the fight on points, but I think he would need to score a knockdown along the way to do that.
Well, absolutely that. Boy, Pacquiao very much, again, in control. Very measured aggression. The fight in burst, he eats a left hand there, but it's a single shot. Cotto's got to come back with the right.
But Miguel finding a rhythm with his legs now.
Yeah, that's one of the adjustments we're talking about that he's made. He started just in this round, being more on his toes, staying on the outside, picking his shots. I don't know if he's being effective, but he's surviving.
He got his arm up.
There for him.